CSIR and the Secretary CSIR to kindly propose DSIR to kindly propose a formal vote of thanks. She, ladies and gentlemen, brings in almost 25 years of extensive research.
Most respected and honorable ministers on the stage, Minister of New and Renewable Energy, Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas, esteemed PSI to the Government of India, Professor Ajay Soodji, my fellow Secretary Bhupendra Singh Balaji, and other secretaries of the dais, important officials, policymakers, and the complete team of ICGH 2024, academia, industry, research laboratories from India and across the globe, friends, well-wishers, present media. Namaskar, Vanakkam and pleasant morning to each and every one of you. I'm extremely happy to be a part of the second edition of this international conference on green hydrogen. I just recall what I told in the first edition of this version of this international conference on green hydrogen. That day we had enough time. I just told that whether hydrogen is a gas or a molecule or an atom or it's a fuel. So like that, I was just admiring the way hydrogen should be defined, because 1 year back we had time to think about all those things. And on that day, I said that hydrogen, like Vipjar, it has 7 colors, and which color we have to chase. But friends, in this 1 year, actually nature has taught us a lot more lessons. We are not having enough time to now debate on which color of hydrogen is required. It is unanimously understood, and it is the need of the hour that we have to think about green hydrogen. And next to green hydrogen, we have to think about blue and the grey hydrogen. So that priority is now very much clear, and therefore now the roadmap is very clear. Now the whole world across the globe, every country is now marching ahead. And within this 1 year, you will be so happy to note that India has come up with a number of initiatives, announcements, schemes, incentives, and also plans. And at that point of time, India was planning, but now India has already started moving. And once upon a time, we thought that for the basic living, human we require only 3 things: food, water, and shelter. But now nature, Mother Nature has now made us to understand, apart from food, water, and shelter, 2 more things are important: carbon-free hydrogen, carbon-free oxygen. So whenever we developed technology, once upon a time we thought that it should be cost effective. Now we are forced to understand that it should be carbon effective also. So taking all the lessons that nature is teaching us day by day, I think now the thrust, the importance, and the support that should be given to this kind of an international green hydrogen conference is enormous. And I appreciate that all of you are gathered here. And I'm so happy to note that now this time we have an international participant also, support system also, which is in the name of USA. Therefore, this is how it should see its growth. Friends, now this field of green hydrogen, here in India itself, it is not only MNRE, not only MOPNG, not only DSIR, many other ministries, shipping, MOEFCC, Ministry of Steel, and all the ministries are now working together. And I take this opportunity to extend my heartfelt thanks to all the organizers, starting from MNRE, MOPNG, Office of the Principal Scientific Advisor, DST, and my own organization, DSIR, and the entire crew of International Conference on Green Hydrogen. When I appreciate this, definitely I should appreciate and thank the sponsors. Different sponsors, companies you have enormously supported, by means of which we are able to have this conference at this scale, and thanks are due to all your enormous support. And again, without your participation, friends from academia, industry, and research organization, the conference will not be successful. And my heartfelt thanks are due to your great participation. And also this time we have attracted youngsters also, and my best wishes are there for the next generation leaders, because they have to take up green hydrogen as their goal in their life and their area of research also in the coming days. And above all, I take this opportunity to say heartfelt thanks on behalf of the Government of India, the Ministry, the organizing group, and I wish this particular conference should see its young number of editions, and I look forward support from each and every one of you. And let us all work together, and days have come up that India has not only exported vaccine at the critical time, India is ready to export even green hydrogen to mitigate this climate change. Thank you so much. Namaskar.